Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Many of us enjoy really simple and easy to make salads which are not only filling but also very refreshing. Today I'm going to share a wonderful and easy cucumber salad which is going to keep you cool and hydrated. So let's get started and check it out. For the salad, I've taken 4 medium fresh cucumbers. Make sure to wash it nice and clean. Using a slicer, I'm just going to slice the cucumbers. But if you don't have a slicer, don't worry about it. You can just cut it into thin slices with a knife. Once you've sliced the cucumbers, just transfer it to a bowl and keep this aside. Next, I'm adding 1 onion. I've just cut the onion into half and cut it into horizontal slices. Adding onion will give a nice crunch to the salad, but if you don't like onions or if you don't want it in your salad, you don't have to add it. Once you've cut the onion, just loosen it up a bit. For the dressing, I've taken 100 grams of yogurt. If you don't have yogurt, you can just use regular curd. For seasoning, add half teaspoon of salt, some fresh crushed pepper, half teaspoon chilli flakes. Next, add 1 garlic clove grated. This will give a nice flavor to the dressing. Also, I'm adding the juice of half lime. And to finish off, add about 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, don't worry about it. You can go with the basic yogurt dressing. Give it all a nice mix. Make sure it's all well combined. The salad is not complete without those fresh chopped coriander leaves. Now let's assemble the salad. To the bowl of freshly sliced cucumbers, add the sliced onions. Next, add the chopped fresh coriander leaves and pour all of that beautiful yogurt dressing. Gently mix everything so the slices are all well coated with the yogurt dressing. Just look how creamy and delicious that looks. There you go, here is this absolutely delicious creamy cucumber salad. The goodness of cucumbers and onions and that lovely yogurt. It's a perfect cooler for the summer heat. This is a great way to enjoy your cucumbers and keep yourself cool and hydrated. I'll give you a couple of links to the other salads I've made. Do check them out. The salad is best enjoyed immediately and make sure you serve it nice and chilled. Well, it's time to taste this yummy, creamy cucumber salad. You can see this is so juicy and it's just coated with that beautiful yogurt. Wow, look at that. I can just happily sip with that bowl of cucumber salad and just enjoy it. It's so fresh, so refreshing. It's so nice and juicy. It's so crunchy as well. And the flavors are just perfect. Well, it's such a simple salad. You can enjoy it whenever you want. So do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.